Does Kraken have a wallet? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Kraken, one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. I'm often asked by my viewers if Kraken has a wallet, and the answer is yes. But there's a little more to it than that. So, let's dive in and take a closer look. What is a Kraken wallet? A Kraken wallet is a secure way to store your cryptocurrency. It's like a bank account for your crypto, where you can deposit, withdraw, and trade your assets. Kraken offers two types of wallets. Exchange wallet. This is a wallet that is built into the Kraken exchange platform. It's easy to use and is perfect for beginners. Kraken Pro. This is a more advanced wallet that is designed for experienced traders. It offers more features and customization options. How to create a Kraken wallet. Creating a Kraken wallet is easy. Here are the steps. Go to the Kraken website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link in the email you received from Kraken. Once you've verified your email address, you can log in to your Kraken account. Click on the Wallets tab. Select the type of wallet you want to create. Follow the instructions on the screen to create your wallet. How to use your Kraken wallet. Once you've created your Kraken wallet, you can use it to deposit, withdraw, and trade your cryptocurrency. To deposit cryptocurrency into your Kraken wallet, go to the Wallets tab and select the currency you want to deposit. Then click on the Deposit button and follow the instructions on the screen. To withdraw cryptocurrency from your Kraken wallet, go to the Wallets tab and select the currency you want to withdraw. Then click on the Withdraw button and follow the instructions on the screen. To trade cryptocurrency on Kraken, go to the Trading tab and select the currency pair you want to trade. Then, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or sell and click on the Place Order button. Is Kraken Wallet safe? Yes, Kraken Wallet is safe. Kraken uses a number of security measures to protect your assets, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage, encryption. Conclusion: Kraken is a great option for storing and trading your cryptocurrency. It offers a variety of features and is easy to use. If you're looking for a safe and reliable way to store your crypto, I highly recommend Kraken. Don't forget to back up your wallet. It's important to back up your wallet so that you can access your funds if your device is lost or damaged. Use a strong password. When you create your Kraken account, be sure to use a strong password. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. 2FA is an extra layer of security that can help to protect your account from unauthorized access. Store your private keys in a safe place. Your private keys are the only way to access your funds. Make sure to store them in a safe place. I hope this blog post has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it for today. I hope you learned something new about Kraken wallets. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Kraken, please check out the following resources. Kraken website, https://www.kraken.com. Kraken blog, https://blog.kraken.com. Kraken YouTube channel. Invalid URL removed.